Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access Snapchat on your mobile phone. After you have done so, simply go ahead, tap on this little chat icon beside your camera icon below section. Here you will be able to access all of the chats and all of the friends you have got. If you would like to remove a particular friend of yours, all you have to do is simply tap and press on the person's profile, and you here in the section tap on this option of manage friendship. Now you have this option of remove friend, which way you simply will be able to delete that person from your Snapchat. Tap on it, and now simply go ahead, tap on this remove, reconfirm it, and you will be able to simply delete that person, aka remove them from your Snapchat. Likewise, again, if you would like to do it for somebody else, go ahead, press and hold, manage friendship, remove friend, remove, and now that person is deleted from your Snapchat. So, and that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.